Hello, here is Hilda. Today we will introduce the animal feed pellet making machine. The machine can be made of animal fodders or organic fertilizers. We can see the rabbit will love to eat feed pellets. We use the silage and forage or drying crop stalks to make feed pellets. Let's see the effect of pellets. Because the machine working will be produce heat, so the pellets will be high temperature. It is very suitable for animal fodders. And when it is dry with nature, and it can be restored for a long time. Stocks, feed pellets, and rabbit feed pellets. Very suitable for animal fodders, more healthy, safe, and more digest. Rabbit. And bird. You can use it for animals, poultry and livstock like chicken, duck, goose, cattle, rabbit, birds, pig, cow, goat. It is very multifunctional. You can use raw materials like silage, crop stock, forage, alfalfa, grass, and greens like corn, soybean meal, and other cereals, maize. Chicken, goat,